If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Microsoft Teams subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into Microsoft accounts. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in with the credentials associated with your Teams subscription. Step 2. Access services and subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. This area displays all your active subscriptions, including Microsoft Teams. Step 3. Locate your Teams subscription. Find your Microsoft Teams subscription in the list. You should see details about the subscription, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 4. Manage subscription settings. Click on the Manage link next to your Teams subscription. This will take you to the subscription management page where you can adjust your settings. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. Look for the option to turn off auto renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice, ensuring that you will not be charged for the next billing cycle. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal of your Microsoft Teams subscription. Make sure to keep track of your subscription status to avoid any unexpected charges in the future.